Visit my website, daytimevegan.com, for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique. I'm here with another recipe for you all. Today we'll be making roast eggplant with a sun-dried tomato and mushroom stuffing. For this recipe, I take a large eggplant and I cut it in half. I scoop out the flesh and saute that eggplant flesh with some, that sounds weird, eggplant flesh. I don't know why. I saute the eggplant that we scooped out with garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, mushrooms, a little bit of olive oil, and then I throw in some rice to make the stuffing a little bit heartier. Then I put it back into the eggplant and roast it until the eggplant is tender and the stuffing ingredients, the flavors in the stuffing have had time to intensify. It's really good. I love the rice in this stuffing, but if you can definitely make this recipe without the rice if that's your preference. It will taste great either way, so I hope you give it a try. And please leave me a comment or question if you have any. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want the full recipe, you can visit my website and I'll leave the link to this recipe in the description box. I wanted to give you all some new ideas for holiday stuffing recipes. This isn't a traditional stuffing, of course, but I think you all will love it. The sun-dried and tomatoes taste wonderful together. I actually used a sun-dried tomato mix. It was mixed with a few olives, and that tastes amazing to me. I don't know if you love olives, but I'm an olive fanatic. So if you would like that type of flavor, you could easily just chop up some olives and mix it in with your sun-dried tomatoes. And I also used sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil. To me, that's a little more flavorful, but you could also use the sun-dried tomatoes that are just dried in they're vacuum sealed in a bag, if you don't want all of the excess oil. So that's also an option for you. The recipe is very easy to make. You just scoop out the flesh of the eggplant. You already have some cooked rice ready, so saute it with the mushrooms and the eggplant and balsamic vinegar. The balsamic vinegar adds so much flavor to the stuffing. It doesn't take long to roast, and you just want to roast it in the oven until the eggplant that you used to stuff, until that is nice and fork tender. When you can easily stick a fork in it, then you know it's done. You don't have to worry about the stuffing because the stuffing is already cooked. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!